To remove the M.2 drive if installed in the unit, first remove the access panel, the front bezel, and the drive's cage. Detach the Phillips No. 1 screw securing the drive in place. The drive will pop up. Pull the drive out of its motherboard socket. The M.2 SSD hard drive has a notch on its edge that aligns over a key in its motherboard socket. To replace the M.2 SSD hard drive, angle the drive into its motherboard socket at a 30-degree angle, engaging the notch over its socket key, and press the drive down. Hold it down while replacing the Phillips No. 1 screw to secure the drive in the unit.